In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use combined chat and channels features in Microsoft Teams. This powerful feature helps streamline your communication, making your team's experience more organized and efficient. By combining your chats and channels into a single unified view, you'll reduce clutter and easily keep track of all your conversations in one convenient place, enhancing your overall productivity. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams application. You'll want to locate the three-dotted line, often referred to as an ellipsis, which is typically found near your profile picture or at the top right corner of the application window. This icon always signifies more options and is your gateway to various settings and functionalities within Teams. Give that a precise click to reveal a comprehensive drop-down menu containing several important choices. Once you've successfully clicked the ellipsis, a menu will gracefully appear on your screen. From this newly displayed menu, you'll need to accurately select the option labeled Settings. This is your central hub for personalizing many aspects of your Microsoft Teams experience, allowing you to tailor everything from the general appearance and themes to your specific notification preferences. It's an important stop for optimizing how Teams works for you, so go ahead and click on Settings to proceed to the next crucial step. Inside the Settings window, you'll observe a clear navigation pane, which is usually positioned on the left side of the screen. Take a moment to scan through these options and specifically locate chats and channels. This particular section is exclusively dedicated to managing precisely how your individual chats and broader team channels are displayed and how they interact within the Microsoft Teams interface. Clicking on Chats and Channels will unveil the relevant customization options vital for achieving our combining goal today. Now, with your focus still within the Chats and Channels settings, direct your undivided attention to the specific Layout section. Here you'll clearly want to select List as your preferred layout option. Choosing the List view is a crucial foundational step because it provides the structured format necessary for combining your conversations effectively. It intelligently organizes your communication in a clean vertical presentation, making it significantly easier to integrate and manage both your direct chats and all your channel activity together in one coherent feed. Next, while remaining within the Chats and Channels settings, carefully locate the option labeled Viewing Chats, Teams, and Channels. Beneath this descriptive heading, you'll clearly see a choice to click Combined. This is the pivotal action we've been working towards, the core of our objective. By confidently selecting Combined, you are instructing Microsoft Teams to seamlessly merge all your individual chats, any group chats you participate in, and every one of your channel discussions into a single unified feed, which will drastically simplify your interface and overall communication workflow. With that vital setting now successfully applied, you can now smoothly close your settings window and gracefully return to your main Microsoft Teams interface. Take a moment to carefully observe the left-hand navigation pane. You'll immediately notice that your separate chat and Teams sections have now been beautifully and functionally integrated into one cohesive view. All your conversations, whether they are direct messages or lively team discussions, are now effortlessly accessible from a single streamlined list, making it significantly easier to navigate and stay on top of all your communications without constant switching between different tabs or sections. This unified approach greatly enhances your daily productivity and effectively reduces digital clutter. And there you have it. You've successfully combined your chats and channels in Microsoft Teams, creating a more streamlined and efficient communication hub. This simple adjustment can make a big difference in how you manage your daily communications, helping you stay organized, focused, and more productive throughout your workday. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.